When it comes to landing page software, Bitrix24 stands out as one of the most popular options. But before you pull the trigger, there are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for you, especially when comparing it to other competitors in the market. Stick around to find out the pros and cons so you can make a fully informed decision. The first thing to note is the free plan. Unlike many competitors, Bitrix24 offers a robust free plan with features like website creation and a CRM system. But here's the catch: while it's free, you might hit limitations pretty quickly as you scale up. Next thing is the ease of use. Bitrix24 has a clean interface, but can be overwhelming for beginners. It's not as intuitive as some competitors, like Lead Pages or InStayPitch, which are much simpler and faster to get the hang of. The third thing to be aware of is the flexibility. Bitrix24 offers a lot of customization, but it can be a double-edged sword. Yes, you get control over your pages, but this also means a steeper learning curve compared to more straightforward tools like Unbounce. The fourth thing is the built-in CRM. This is one of Bitrix24's strongest points. It integrates seamlessly with your landing pages, which can make follow-ups and lead management a breeze. But if you're not planning to use the CRM, you might feel like you're paying for features you don't need. The fifth thing is its mobile responsiveness. While Bitrix24 allows you to create landing pages that are mobile-friendly, some other platforms like InStayPitch have more refined mobile editing features, which could be crucial if you're optimizing for mobile-first traffic. Now, let's talk templates. Bitrix24 does offer a range of templates, but they can be a bit generic. Competitors like Lead Pages offer more high-converting, industry-specific templates that can make your landing pages pop right out of the box. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the integrations. Bitrix24 does have integrations, but they're not as extensive as platforms like Zapier or HubSpot. So if you rely heavily on third-party tools, you might find yourself struggling a bit to connect everything. Next up, customer support. Bitrix24 provides support, but it's not always the fastest or most responsive. If you're looking for immediate help, other tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages may offer quicker responses and more dedicated support. The ninth thing is the pricing. While the free plan is great, once you move beyond it, Bitrix24 can get a bit pricier, especially considering the steep upgrade paths. For a similar price point, competitors like Unbounce offer more refined features and better landing page performance. The 10th thing is the automation features. Bitrix24 has decent automation tools, but they're not as powerful or user-friendly as those of competitors like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. If automation is a priority, you might want to look elsewhere. The 11th thing is the analytics. Bitrix24's reporting tools are functional, but not as detailed as what you might find in other platforms. If in-depth analytics and A/B testing are essential for you, Bitrix24 might not be the best fit. Finally, Bitrix24 offers good value overall, but requires a bit of a learning curve. It's a solid all-in-one option if you need CRM integration and team collaboration, but for pure landing page optimization, there are alternatives that might suit you better. In conclusion, Bitrix24 is a good option, especially for businesses that need a range of features in one platform. However, if you're primarily focused on landing page creation and ease of use, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.